Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple and effective way to view all the links shared in a WhatsApp community using the PC app. With the latest update, this feature has become incredibly easy to access. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, locate the community you want to explore. Communities are a great way to stay connected with groups of people sharing similar interests or goals. Next, click on the community's name to open its details. You'll find the name of the community displayed at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will take you directly to the contact info page for that community. Once you're on the contact info page, look for an option labeled Links. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Links, and you'll be presented with a list of every link that has been shared within that community. No more endless scrolling through chats trying to find that one important link. Everything is neatly organized in one place. This feature is a game changer for anyone who wants quick access to shared resources, articles, or websites within their WhatsApp communities. Whether you're managing work-related links or keeping track of personal interests, this tool will save you time and effort. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to view all shared links in a WhatsApp community on your PC. Try it out today and see how it enhances your WhatsApp experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks.